Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and this is your latest edition of the intersection of heart and mind. Today's lesson is all about growth. How do we grow? How do you grow your business? Ooh, the million-dollar question. Well, I have the answer for you today, and the answer is you have to give. Right? If you're going to grow some vegetables, what's the secret to growing those vegetables? You've got to give them a little water. You've got to give them some nutrients. You have to make sure they're in the right location so that the sun can give them its light energy. It's all about giving. If there is no giving, there is no getting. Therefore, there is a formula in life, and that formula goes like this. Giving equals receiving. It's that simple, right? You give, you receive. And the quality of what you give is reflected in the quality of what you receive. So if you give in the spirit of anger, you will get back energy in the form of anger. And if we give in the spirit of sadness, the same thing comes back to us. Yet, when we consciously decide to give in the spirit of positivity, that's what comes back to us. Look at customer service as a phenomenal example of that. Those that give terrible customer service, born out of negativity and frustration, don't get their customers coming back. And if they do come back, they're coming back with complaints, which are a reflection of the negativity that was given in the first place, right? I'm right, I know so. So here's the deal. If you give fantastic customer service, you get fantastic customers that come back to you and want to continue giving you fantastic orders. Let's use a case study. When I started Promonoise, I had to give in order to grow. That's just the formula. I'm not going to grow if nobody knows what I'm capable of producing and giving to them. So I decided to give a few videos away for free to prove my worth. Here's my concept, and as you know, I do product review videos. And in giving away a few of those videos, I gained a reputation, I gained a proof of concept, I gained new customers, I gained opportunity. I gave in the spirit of love and growth and positivity, and I got back all of those things in spades in positivity. And that formula is really, really interesting. When you give, you get back, just like I told you, in the same spirit as you gave. And what happens is when you give in positivity, you get positivity back. That is an emotion, right? So I get back the emotion of positivity. And what happens with emotions is they govern your behavior, right? If I am angry, what kind of behavior will I exhibit? You guessed it. If I'm sad, what kind of behavior do I exhibit? Again, you guessed it correctly. Now, when I'm loving, when I'm positive, that's the way that my behavior is. And it's only natural that our behaviors equal our results. It's our behaviors that lead to our results, right? So when I launch into something with a behavior that is conditioned from the emotion from whence it came, that's the result that I'm going to create. Isn't that fabulous? So here's a real life case study. I'm working with a company, they're called Latour de Spice, a fabulous promotional product supplier, and they believe in what I'm doing, they believe in the spirit of giving, and as such, they have decided to give me a handful of their deluxe smoker sets. Ooh, I love these things. Here's what they look like. And I am going to give these deluxe smoker sets away as well. Here's how you get one. All you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. You can do that on promonoise.com. There's a million ways you can do it. Or you can go right onto my YouTube channel at Promonoise and subscribe right there. Then you're going to send me an email, alex@promonoise.com, and tell me how you give. That's it. It's so simple. Alex, I give this way. Alex, I give that way. And when you do that, I'll put you into a contest, and you too can win a smoker set from Latour de Spice. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that so great? I'm given, they're given, you're given information. I'm going to share your gift and your knowledge. Oh my gosh, my customer just told me that they give in this way. Isn't that an unbelievable story? It's a cycle that just keeps going around and around. Everybody's growing, everybody's giving, and everybody's receiving. Check out my latest blog, Giving, an Elegant Equation, I believe is what it's called, and you can read all about it. I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thank you for your time. Let's keep making